For a while there it was rough, but lately I've been
This male
doing
cockatoo
better.
here is very nervous.
Then the last 4 cold Decembers I
brought up
recall,
the strength to come over and see me.
and I see my family
beautiful.
every month. I found a
He's
girl
trying to reach
my
my
parents
phone.
love. She'll come and stay the night, and I think I might have it all. And I thank God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He gives, He can take away.
Let me know in the comments box.
And I hold you every night, and that's a feeling I wanna get
I've got another
used
male
to.
come down to feed from the back of the chair.
There's no man as terrified as
I'm
the
just working on
man
gaining
who stands
trust
to
from them.
lose you.
You have to be gentle, and you have to make
Oh, I hope I don't lose
them feel
you.
like they're going to be secure and safe within your presence.
Please,
Because parrots can pick up on your stress very
I want
easily,
you, I need you, oh God. Don't
especially dogs as well.
take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay.
I hope you're all enjoying these videos that I've been posting. I've been enjoying spending time with these guys. It's taken me a long time to get them to trust me this way. It takes a lot of work and perseverance. Just remember, if you are interested in feeding wild cockatoos, please approach with caution, because they can really, here comes another one, they have very big beaks, and when they're scared they tend to bite quite a fair bit. These two have just appeared on the back of the chair here. Aren't they beautiful? 2 males. This should make the videos a lot more interesting when I interact with them like this. It's not always going to happen, but when it does, I film it, because I just want to show that you can gain wildlife's trust if you have the patience to do so. Okay guys, I'm wishing you all a great weekend. Take care of yourselves. Thank you for watching. I'm going to go